So the last video kind of cut off where we were dealing with 3 tan inverse of theta equals pi. And to solve that, dividing by 3, so we have tan inverse of theta equals pi over 3. And to undo tan inverse, you use tangent. So you apply tangent to both sides. On the left-hand side, they cancel out, leaving you with theta equals, and based on our unit circle, we know that tangent of pi over 3 is the square root of 3. And that's our answer. Alright, so kind of keeping in mind and working some more with our unit circle, which I told you needed to have memorized, and I kind of meant it. So our next one is solve cosine of x equals 1/2. And we're going to do this without a calculator. So what this is asking is where on the unit circle does cosine equal 1/2? Okay. Well, in order for cosine to equal 1/2, that's the x value. So we're looking for where we've got 1/2 comma square root of 3 over 2. And we know that that happens when your angle measure is pi over 3. Now the other part of this is that we also know that cosine is positive in 2 quadrants. So if you think about your all students take calculus, cosine is positive in your first and fourth quadrant, which means you're going to have 2 answers. So x is going to be pi over 3, and then 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. So there's 2 answers here. We've got x is pi over 3 and x equals 5 pi over 3. All right, let's try another one. Let's say that we started with 2 sine of theta plus the square root of 3 equals 0. And to be honest, we could keep going around and around the unit circle.